Good day mga ka-DIYers! This is your DIY dad. Woo! These cool boys just came here in my shop. We have this, the 580 watts electric cleaner, the 170 watts rotary toolkit, and this 1500 circular saw as a replacement for my old 1300 watt circular saw. We will unbox this and I will give necessary reviews about the commonly noticeable features of these tools. We will start with the circular saw. Included in the package are the 6 months warranty card. We have this operating and safety manual. We also have this wrench for installing and removing of our blade. Meron tayong spare ng 2 brass carbons. And meron tayong guide sa gilid with embossed markings of measurements. Then meron tayong 24 teeth natin na carbide tip blade, 7 1/4 inch in diameter or 185 millimeters. We will now install the blade. So makikita nyo may guide tayo kung paano yung rotation ng ating blade. So dito sa cover ng blade, ang rotation natin is counterclockwise. So meron din namang indicated level kung paano yung ikot ng blade. So ito ang paglalagay natin. So let's put it in na and then we will put it in. We just need to press this black spindle lock habang pinipihit natin yung ating screw going clockwise. It's like this. Let's make a quick review about this circular saw. Unang-una, as I mentioned before, ang dali magkabit ng blade kasi meron tayong spindle na black here and the black one. Pipindutin mo lang siya and then magpipihit ka na. So napaka-friendly user niya. Pangalawa, yung ating free na blade is a carbide tip. Matigas to at the same time maganda tong pamutol talaga ng mga kahoy. Then meron tayong rubber boots. Ang ganda rin niya, ang kagandahan sa rubber boots na to. So yung moisture hindi papasok sa loob at the same time yung mga sawdust. Minsan kasi yung sawdust na yan yung nakakasira sa ating mga tools. Kasi yun yung tumitigas na or naiipit na yung pindutan natin. Then meron tayong pinakamaganda na napansin ko dito, yung embossed measurement markings. If you will notice this one, ayan. Hindi lang siya basta naka-paint. Usually kasi yung iba, naka-emboss siya pero wala siyang kulay. So mahirap din siyang ma-recognize yung mga measurement natin. So ito ang ganda. Even magasgas to, makikita pa rin natin ng malinaw yung mga measurement na kailangan natin. Even yung ating depth cut na measurement, meron din siyang kasama. Ito. And then, para sa ating pagkakat naman, in terms of sa depth ng kahoy na kailangan putulin natin, ang ganda ng knob na to. Yung ibang circular saw, walang ganito. Nakalagay lang siya dito, medyo mahirap dukutin since maliit yung kanyang knob. Ito, napakadaling gamitin. Then, I think this is the blower, the exhaust or the blower. Maganda to kasi nasa baba siya. So, it will help to blown away yung ating mga sawdust. So, mas clearly natin makikita kung ano man yung linya na guide natin para sa pagpuputol. Ang difference lang nito from my previous Lotus na 1300 watts is yung para sa vacuum port dito. Yun kasi bilog, pwede siyang lagyan ng vacuum hose. And then meron yung laser. But for the laser naman, for me, hindi naman siya ganun ka gamitin. Kasi bihirang-bihira ako nga nagamit yun eh. Nakakatuwa lang sa feature. Kasi magpuputol naman talaga tayo ng kahoy, daylight, maliwanag. So, hindi naman na talaga kita, visible yung laser light na yon. And then, we will need a guide naman. Then, we have this rubber overmold. Medyo matigas siya, pero kahit paano nakakadagdag naman siya ng comfort. So, let's try this into action. always check na dapat naka-unplug yung machine natin if ever mag-check tayo ng anything sa ating machine, especially yung blade. So we will check the alignment of this blade. For the first cut,
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up. Don't be scared.
For me, kay DIY Dad, approve to. We're now done with the Lotus circular saw. Isunod na kagad natin to, the 580 watts electric planer. Watch my next video.